How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our dual memory K-Force TIR full-size light bars. Now we offer these units in our K-Force 36, 47, 55, 65, 75, and also our slimmer K-Force Micro 50. And all of these units will have the same features and functionality. So for demonstration purposes, I'll be using our K-Force 47 here. And when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness. Now you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional Supreme control, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your main power cables here, and then you'll also have your aux line where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control box. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the features. So for example here, I'll be using my optional Supreme control box, which I went ahead and plugged in via connector here. Now on your Supreme control, you will have a 3-position slide switch here. So position 1 will activate the back of my light bar, position 2 will activate the front of my light bar, and position 3 will activate my light bar in 360 mode. Now you will see a mode button here. Now when that button is deactivated, you're in memory 1. Now when you activate that button, you'll be in memory 2. So you do have 2 flash pattern memories. And then here you have your pattern button where you can change your flash patterns, and you will see you'll have multiple flash patterns in this unit, and you do have memory recall per slide switch position. And then you have your takedown button here, your alleys, your cruise mode, and your aux button for your additional lighting that you may hook up to your optional Supreme control. And then here you have your center out, your left right, and right left traffic advising functions. Now let's go ahead and go over our night mode feature. When it comes to our night mode, this will only be applicable on our optional Supreme control box. And there's 2 ways to activate your night mode. You can either use the button on your control box, which will activate the red backlit LEDs, or you'll see a white cable coming off of your cable harness as well. So let me go ahead and deactivate the button here. Now when I apply power to my white cable, you'll see that will activate my red LEDs on my control box for the night mode as well. And then my button will become inactive. So you'll see that you can either hook up your night mode via Hardwire, or you can use the button on your control box. And then when you activate your features, you'll see that your buttons will light up blue while you have your red backlit functionality there. So you'll see you have the perfect option whether you would like to hardwire your night mode or simply use the button on your control box. So we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups, and we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. Now for example here, I brought our K-Force 36 in a green, clear, alternating style color setup. And then below that one, I brought our K-Force 47 in a red, blue, half-half color setup. And then below our K-Force 47, I brought our K-Force 55 in an all amber color setup. Now you'll notice that all of my light bars were on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. And again, we have amber, red, blue, green, and clear, solid, half-half, or alternating. And if you need a custom color setup, you can use our customization tool on the product pages. On all of our full-size light bars, you will get your included light bar feet, and these are adjustable along the bottom slide track of your light bar. And then you will get your included universal gutter mount brackets, and on certain models we do offer optional vehicle specific gutter mount brackets as well. And then you'll also see our optional permanent stud mount brackets and our headache rack mount brackets. And to mount these, you will remove your light bar feet and use the existing hardware on your light bar. So that covers our dual memory K-Force TIR full-size light bars. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos and also check out our interactive players to fully demo your unit before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.